Doctor, these days it's very difficult to find a child eating food without a phone. Can this have any negative effect on their health?
I would say it has only negative effects. I don't think that children should be given phones, particularly smartphones. The most important part is the social interaction, which is very, very responsible for actually a child's growth and development, especially mental development. In terms of person to person interaction, is what is key here. The phone gives you short forms of entertainment, and your attention span is just limited to a minute. I wouldn't even say that this is for children, even with adults, it's the same thing. So I think what is most important for a child's development, particularly the mental development and a cognitive development, is that they actually interact with humans. And I wouldn't recommend children having smartphones at all. In fact, there are countries which are banning these smartphones for children less than 12 years of age, which I think is in the positive direction, because phones are useful, and I agree that for safety, to know where the child is when they are coming home from school, it's important, but we could always give them the old brick phones rather than smartphones, because it completely changes their attention span. Also, dopamine release, which is constantly seeing something which gives you that dopamine release, which just means that waiting and actually interacting goes away completely. So I think please talk to your children, read out to them, rather than just give them smartphones just because it's convenient. One of the dangers of having access to online information constantly is that there is no safety feature which is inbuilt into this. They have access to online groomers as well, and also websites which are adult websites as well. And there is no control or there is no check which is possible. And I think that further exposes children to a lot of danger, which is unchecked. I mean, this is territory which we don't have protection against as yet, and especially with AI and the other things. So it's completely unchecked, and it's also uncharted territory, which again opens up further danger.